My name is Sarit Kanabar. I'm from ASN Business Solutions. We're a cloud automation business. We've been in the Zoho industry for over 10 years now. So we specialize in a few verticals. We've worked a lot in the medical, NDIS, financial, manufacturing. And we found that Zoho One is the perfect product for most organizations. As a technology implementer, we were looking at various products being HubSpot, Salesforce, various other SaaS products, including Microsoft Dynamics. But then as we progressed with various projects, we identified a gap in the market. For example, a Dynamics implementation can cost up to $100,000 depending whether it's Business Central or various other field service items. However, with a medium-sized market, businesses would prefer a solution that still meets the same requirements but doesn't have a long ongoing cost. With the Zoho One ecosystem, subscription costs literally half the value, but you get twice the productivity from the product. So we decided to focus on that niche, being the Zoho One medium business enterprises. And since then, even large enterprises have agreed that Zoho One is a far more superior product. I use primarily Zoho One, but the key main ones, Zoho CRM, which is the heart and soul in managing all our deals, Zoho Campaigns for our email marketing, including newsletters, Sales IQ, custom chatbot within our website. We use Zoho Page Sense. The list is endless. So pick any application and I guarantee you will be using it. Zoho One as a whole provides you a bit of flexibility for growth and expansion. So without the need to spend more is one of the unique selling points about Zoho One. What we tend to do is, at the end of the day, we prefer that the client is happy and satisfied in that we have the capability to deliver the project at the end, that what we deliver is what they've asked for. So we initially do a detailed requirements gathering, and then as a proof of concept, we use our own Zoho to build the functionality. So once the proof of concept is demonstrated to the client, they ask us back and forth questions. Can this be adjusted? Can that be adjusted? We do then demonstrate that yes, it is capable. And once they've identified that ASN Solutions can deliver the project, then we do further discovery sessions and provide a proposal and get started with the project. Currently, we're working with various clients which have third-party system integrations. We're working with a swim school right now, which has 6 swimming centers around Western Australia, and they have a booking system called Udio. So the ability to integrate booking systems with introducing smarts within the CRM to help the client meet their requirements. However, what is important is ensuring that the data integrity is maintained, the data that we need through API calls. You can get any data, but at the same time, integrating between CRM and Zoho Analytics. The introduction of the 1-hour sync recently was a game changer. It gives the client ability to make instant, quick decisions. One of the benefits of Zoho Analytics over something like Power BI is its capability to plug into Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Facebook ads, Facebook marketing components. That gave the client the ability to look at the big picture of all these platforms at one spot in Zoho Analytics in a dashboard, which has their clients' data from their Udio booking system, from their social channels, including their Google channels as well. So there's no need to go log in, log out of various systems to make decisions. And this is something that she may use for her various other businesses. When we did this implementation, as we are still working on it, and the initial feedback we just received, the client was very excited to see all the various platforms coming together. So for any business that is considering Zoho, it can be a minefield out there. First step, don't choose a product. Make sure your business processes are nutted down from start to finish. Then get in touch with us so that we can actually workshop with you what is the right product for you. The product should be customized to your processes. The process shouldn't be customized to meet the product that's out there in the market. Zoho is out there ensuring what can we do for our end user. Always customer at mind.